Unless you're from another planet, you've heard the news. Messages of fear, despair, doom and gloom. Reports of layoffs, bankruptcies, and unemployment. From Wall Street to Main Street, London to New York. Young, old, rich, poor. We are all hearing the same news, thinking the same thoughts, and asking these same questions. What does all this mean for me today? And even more importantly, what will my life look like 6 months from now? For millions of us, sadly, the answer is, I really don't know. I really don't know. But that doesn't have to be the answer. Our most successful millionaire minds, CEOs, and internet business experts are all saying the same thing, that we are literally in the midst of the greatest wealth-creating opportunity in history. Yes, you heard that right. Why? Well, the fact is, when an economy is down, as ours is now, the rebound has always been stratospheric. It's a historical fact. And we all know that history repeats itself. More billionaires than Fortune 500 companies were created out of the rebound from the Great Depression than any other era in history. Who will the billionaires and millionaires be this time? Wouldn't you like to be counted in that number? Then here's what you need to know. There are certain groups of people, and hopefully you are part of one, who are positioning themselves with the trends of today so they can prosper and flourish tomorrow in a big, big way. They understand the urgency associated with the word opportunity and are willing to strike while the iron is hot, which means taking immediate action. These passionate groups of forward-thinking individuals are ready to create phenomenal success for themselves and have their names written in the history books. So let me ask you a question. When all the dust is settled and the success stories are being told, where will you be? Wouldn't you love to have one of the stories be yours? If you just said yes, then I'll show you how to change your life forever. So where do we start? It's simple. Grab your picks and shovels and let's go digging for gold. As you can probably guess, these groups of forward-thinking individuals have a laser beam direction, clear and focused vision, and know exactly where to dig. So let's follow along so we can position ourselves to catch this lightning in a bottle. So, what are the trends of our time? Where is the gold mine? The Internet. The Internet is a worldwide phenomenon and the one major trend that is unique to our time. It gives us all an unthinkable ability to directly connect with one another across global boundaries without ever leaving the comfort of our homes. There are billions of people online today, teaching, training, buying, and selling in niche markets so vast and numerous it seems infinite, and it's growing. This explosive trend upward is a sign of the times. The sheer number of people who are looking to open a home-based or internet-based business is staggering. Second by second, day by day, millions of people worldwide are trying to find ways to reinvent themselves, supplement income, or replace lost wages, and are actively looking online for their solution. And it's obvious. In the last few months, searches for how to work from home type keywords have surged to over 300 million results on Google alone. Searching for proven marketing systems and turnkey businesses that really work with ready-to-go, in-demand products. Looking for someone to provide them with the roadmaps, information, tools, and the training necessary to make their lives successful. Solutions that give them the power to be in control of their own destiny for a change and live their dreams on their terms. You don't need a GPS system to see where you need to position yourself, do you? Of course not, because as the world swirls around you in turmoil, we will position you to sit directly in the eye of the storm, on the inside, in the middle, in the calm, providing the solutions and hope everyone needs online, and how to change their lives forever. And of course, everyone will come to you. You have the lifeboats, and in a storm, that's the best place to be, isn't it? So if you've ever wanted change in your life, to truly set your own course and to position yourself for great things ahead, then you absolutely must fill out the simple questionnaire below and start your journey now.